Rise and shine. Good morning, welcome back to my channel. If y'all are new here, my name is Caroline and you should totally subscribe and join the man fam.
Thank you so much Grammarly for sponsoring this video.
Y'all, the sky is literally so pretty right now. I'm gonna step outside and show you guys the sky because it's absolutely gorgeous. Okay, right as I just opened my door to my balcony, my alarm went blaring, and for the sake of y'all, I'm not gonna leave that clip in because that was honestly the most terrifying sound ever. I know my alarm works. It's 7:10 right now. I've been up since 6:45. That's when I set my alarm. Basically, all I've done in between that time is respond to work texts and take out my retainer and stuff. I'm literally so tired. Damn it, one of my eggs just broke. Rip.
Wonder why I'm sitting all alone,
so sad.
Staring at my phone, or I just want a connection. Is that so hard to ask for? I just want something that's real, that's alive. Don't want no white noise on the other line. I just want a connection. Is that so hard to ask for?
So excited to eat this. This is the morning setup. I made an over easy egg, 2 of them, but one of them broke as you saw. And the bread that I'm using, it's from the brand The Cheesecake Factory. I love their bread. They're very famous for their bread, but then they started selling it in stores. So yesterday I had a sandwich with it. Amazing. Now I'm gonna have it with my toast. Coffee, almost gone. Now this is the part where I FaceTime my boyfriend. We both wake up very early, but I don't want to wake him up. I wait a little bit. Good morning.
Some music's crazy.
Going on a hot girl walk right now for my morning workout. I'm gonna listen to some of my favorite podcasts. I'll put them on the screen. All done with my walk. 1.24 miles. That is like the perfect distance for me. I already do so much walking on campus, but it's still cool enough in the morning where it feels good. I'm going to get ready, wash my face, put my contacts in, do my makeup, and then I'm going to do some studying before I leave for classes. Okay, I just finished my makeup. Right now it's 10:50. I think I'm gonna eat an early lunch because I want to leave here by 11:30. So I'm gonna eat an early lunch. I made tofu and brown rice the other night, so I'm just gonna reheat that. This is my fit for today though. I obviously still have that workout tank on from Story. I've got these jeans from PacSun that I got before I moved from Austin here. I'm about to eat my tofu bowl, but I wanted to show y'all, I just did this super cute hairstyle. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna watch some Modern Family while I eat.
Go. It's weird. One thing led to another.
I just got to the school and now I am running a little late. I actually had to turn around because I thought my candle was still burning, but it wasn't. First class of the day is communications. Definitely my favorite class by far. Also, I packed a Celsius to keep me awake because this is gonna be a long day, y'all. I just ran into a fan on campus, so I'm running a little bit late. Does impact the outcome, whether you like it or not.
It's still being moving on. Alright, moving on. So, what I just want to do now is to sort of like select,
I'm here for a quick pop-in. We all know Grammarly. Well, now I'm here to tell you that Grammarly is now available on your mobile device. And let me tell you, this has been the best lifesaver for me. You don't have to whip out the big computer. Once you've got Grammarly keyboard downloaded on your phone, you can pull up any writing app, start typing, and just like the desktop version, which we all have, Grammarly provides you with suggestions, grammatical changes, all that jazz on your phone. Back to school time can be extremely stressful, and as the school year goes on, the workload is going to pick up and assignments are going to become very heavy. Setting your goals high to succeed in school is necessary for a subject that doesn't even require heavy writing, and what better way to do that than with Grammarly. There's two versions, the free version and the premium one. The free version comes with grammar, spelling, and punctuation suggestions, but when you upgrade to the premium, you're going to feel 10 times more confident in that paper that you turn in. Last week I went to go visit my sister at the Air Force Academy, and I had the longest layover in Phoenix, so I knocked out an assignment for English, and that's just one of the many examples of how the Grammarly keyboard has helped me with edits on the go. I always take their comprehensive writing suggestions because it's extremely easy to forget when you're writing a paper about grammatical errors. Maybe you added an extra space, maybe you misspelled a word. You never have to worry about that because Grammarly always provides you with comprehensive writing suggestions. So you're probably wondering, if Grammarly's free version already offers so many benefits, why would I need to pay money for the advanced version? Let me tell you about one of my favorite features that saved my butt before I graduated high school.
And that's the premium conciseness suggestions.
So basically, say you've got a heavy week, you've got a bunch of schoolwork, you've got a volleyball tournament to do, you can use Grammarly Premium
conciseness suggestions
to cut down on your hard to read sentences so that your writing is clear and to the point. That's literally like having a mini assistant with you. Currently, I've been writing this speech that I'm gonna be presenting next week on my laptop, and I've been using the Grammarly desktop version like I showed while I was in class earlier. This thing has been my favorite. Grammarly desktop actually has a free version and a premium version as well. The free version has comprehensive spelling, punctuation, grammar. It's very easy to get docked on your papers with careless mistakes when you're juggling a bunch of things throughout the day. So Grammarly's comprehensive writing has been saving me on this speech as I'm doing it over food allergies. There's a lot of qualitative data that I have to use as well as quantitative, and I have been misspelling things left and right. What I've been taking full advantage of with the premium version is the Clarity full sentence rewrites. In a nutshell, this feature rephrases my hard to read sentences, keeping my writing clear and to the point, because the last thing I want is to give this speech and it not make any sense. So thank you Grammarly for helping me achieve good grades. The Grammarly keyboard is now available to download on the App Store and Play Store. Download it now before your workload gets heavy and you're swimming in homework. Succeed in school by improving your grades with the help of Grammarly. It's free, so why not?
Go to grammarly.com/Caroline to sign up for a free account, and if you'd like to get extra features, upgrade to Grammarly Premium for 20% off to help you write your future.
Let's get back into it. I just got out of my last class of the day, which was business. Literally sweating so bad right now. Oh my gosh, ew, I probably smell disgusting. Woo. I honestly wish that I got more content, but it is only the third week of school and it's a little awkward filming obviously, so I just like got clips on my phone. I'm gonna tell you guys a rundown of my day and what I did at school. So I had 3 classes today. Communications, UF 100, which is my data analysis class, and then business. So in communications, we basically are gonna be working on a semester-long speech. Went over like speech delivery tips and stuff, as well as more in-depth ideas about what topic we want to do for our speech. In UF 100, we analyzed a bunch of data charts. Is it data or data? I don't know what people say. It changes every time for me. That was a pretty chill class. And then in business, we are gonna be doing a semester-long business plan proposal. So we got assigned groups of 5, I'm pretty sure. I'm the only girl in my group. I've got 4 guys and then me. We met our groups today at the end of class, and we took so many notes in business. My hand hurts so bad. I'm just like really out of breath right now. I honestly need to take a sip of my water because I feel like I'm about to pass out. At 5:30 tonight, I'm going to a Bible study. I'm having Chick-fil-A for dinner, so I'm not gonna make dinner tonight, but I'm really excited. I've obviously been going to a new church since I moved here from Texas, and I love this church and the community, and I'm really excited to get to know more of these girls. Right now, it's like 104 degrees. I feel like I'm about to pass out. Oh my gosh, air conditioning. Yes. I'm not eating until 5:30, so I'm gonna get a bar to tie me over because I'm literally starving right now. So, which one should I have? Let's see. I'm going to have an ABC bar from Trader Joe's. I'm pretty sure I have a package. I got a notification while I was in class that a package came. So, let's see what it is. It's from Alani Nu, you guys. Also, I swear these ABC bars literally have crack in them. They're so good. Okay. Ooh. Shut the front door. Oh my gosh. We've got some Alani Nu Witch's Brew energy drinks. Oh my gosh, they're back and better than ever. And they also sent over the Alani Nu pre-workout in Witch's Brew. This is going straight in there. I've got to do some things for work really quick, and then I'm gonna go to the Bible study. So it's grind time. I'm so stressed, and I feel like I can never catch a break, but I love life right now. So happy to be here, so I'm not complaining. I've been doing homework for maybe an hour, I wanna say. Editing my video. I feel like my whole life is editing now. And then Drew and I have been FaceTiming so that I stopped editing, and now we've been doing homework together. But Drew, tell them what you're doing right now.
I'm busy planning a summer trip.
Yeah, Drew and I want to take a road trip, maybe like a 2-week road trip in the summer, because where I'm at in Idaho, it's near states that we were never near when we were in Texas, because going anywhere out of Texas takes like 8 hours, maybe even more, and all the states are not that nice. Where I am, I'm by Washington, Oregon, California, Salt Lake City, Montana, so basically all the good road tripping states, and Drew is planning out a Google presentation while I'm doing my homework. Okay, every night before I go to bed, I have this little notepad. I don't even know where it came from, but I'm pretty sure my mom gave it to me. And basically, this is what I write out. So I write tomorrow's date, which is September 8th. And then I write breakfast, lunch, dinner. And I plan out what I'm gonna have. And then I do to do. And I make a checklist of all the things that I need to do for tomorrow. So maybe tomorrow I'll do my fall shopping. I look crazy right now because I've literally been editing and doing homework for the past like 6-7 hours. So anyways, that is my school day in a nutshell. If you guys liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you didn't, don't do anything. I love y'all so much. Have a great rest of your day, and I will see y'all in my next video. Ciao.